High above, the birds are gliding, sending greetings from the blue. In my heart there's no more hiding, I just want to be with you. Spring is rolling, ever turning, rain is falling, soft and slow. Behind the clouds the moon is yearning, with no smile for us below. I've come to see you once again. Don't leave your whisper through the rain. The Mother of God in the candle's glow becomes the icon that we know. The dawn is breaking, I must depart, with heavy steps and a longing heart.
No peace is found beneath the sun, when birds fly high and the day's begun.
We cannot know their secret language, each of us bears a cross alone. But do not blame the birds for anguish, the sky is theirs, the earth our own. I write these lines in alphabet, of flocks and keys and silhouettes. I breathe you in, my love, my light, like ozone in a Prague-filled night.
Better to sing the chansons moan to the sobbing of a saxophone.